Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to knit stripes in ribbing patterns. Usually when you change colors in ribbing, you will get these purl bumps in the new color that interrupt the border between the two colors. I'm going to show you how to avoid that. I have prepared a piece of knit 2 purl 2 ribbing, and next I will switch to yellow to show you how to change colors. To do that, I just let go of the blue strand and then pick up the yellow strand behind the blue strand. Make sure that you don't pull on the new strand too much, otherwise the float behind the work will be too short. Now knit the first 2 stitches. Usually you would purl the next 2 stitches to continue the knit 2 purl 2 ribbing. But as you can see, this is exactly the look that we want to avoid. So instead we are actually going to knit the entire round. This is going to solve our problem since the interrupting purl bumps only appear when we are purling. Now that we have knitted the entire round, we simply go back to the knit 2 purl 2 ribbing for the rest of the stripe. I hope this video was helpful and thanks for watching.